Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm gonna be doing chicken fried rice, boneless chicken fried rice with items I already have in my house, and so I'm just gonna use those leftovers and then stir fry it as chicken fried rice. I also have shrimp fried rice coming up, but after this video. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my rice. Okay, this is already being cooked, so I have this, and I also have my vegetables and onion right here cut. So I also have my boneless chicken marinated with peppers and Maggi and onion and salt. This is it right here. I have recipe on my channel how I marinate my salmon, so this is the same recipe. I'm gonna see if I can link that video under this one as well. It's the same thing. So this is what I'm talking about. This is where the salmon was in. I just baked it, and yeah, this is the juice that left over, the pepper juice. So I'm gonna use some of this as well as a gravy to give it a taste. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for this one. So now what we're gonna be doing now, I'm gonna turn my stove on. I'm going to be using my wok anyway. So I got this wok at Walmart. If you're looking for any, they're there for like $5 and change. So this is a very good wok. So I'm gonna put my olive oil into the mixture. Again, it's fried rice, you guys. So okay, so I have that. I'm gonna use my chicken breast. And I'm also gonna use some of this as well for spiciness. So now I'm gonna add my onion into this. So I'm gonna add some of my ingredients for making this fried rice. So I'm gonna put a black pepper in. Adobo. Garlic powder. I meant to say onion powder, not garlic powder. And I'm also going to put curry. And a little bit of Maggi as well. So now I'm gonna add my vegetables first.
This recipe is very, very simple, guys. You can make your own spicy. I'm gonna add paprika.
I cut the chicken a little bit bigger, so I want to make sure they're cooked. So you guys, now I'm going to add my rice. So you guys, I wanted the crust to the fried rice, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it up a few minutes and let the steam sit into the rice. So I will have that crunchy fried rice. See the crust starts to fill up. guys, see the crust right there. Hey guys, so this is the salmon. This is the salmon I was talking about. So I'm just gonna put some few salmon on top. Yes guys, this is the way I grab. So this is fried rice with salmon, should I say, on the side. Okay guys, so this is fried rice with salmon, DIY at your own home. I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the shrimp fried rice coming up. Bye bye.